上晝11點，香港電台最新一節嘅風暴消息：8號東南烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺上晝11點，颱風泰利集結喺香港之西南大約260公里，即係喺北緯20.4度、東經112.7度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約18公里，大致移向雷州半島一帶。受泰利影響，香港普遍吹東至東南烈風，高地間中吹暴風。按照而家嘅預測路徑，泰利會喺朝早喺香港西南偏南300公里內掠過，而同其相關嘅烈風區會喺下午初時持續影響珠江口一帶。8號烈風或暴風信號至少維持到下晝4點，隨後8號信號會唔會維持，將會視乎泰利遠離珠江口嘅速度同本地風力嘅變化。同泰利雨帶相關陣風會唔會持續影響香港？可有非常大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同停止所有水上活動。市民請留意最新嘅天氣消息。喺過去1個鐘頭，昂坪、長洲同塔門分別錄得最高持續風速為每小時108、77同74公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時133、102同87公里。有關最新天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分同搭正嘅風暴消息。
11 o'clock in the morning, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 southeast gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 kilometers per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. At 11 a.m., Typhoon Talim was centered about 260 kilometers southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 20.4 degrees north, 112.7 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 18 kilometers per hour in the general direction of Leizhou Peninsula. Under the influence of Talim, east to southeasterly gales prevail over Hong Kong, with occasional storm-force winds on high ground. According to the present forecast track, Talim will skirt within 300 kilometers to the south-southwest of Hong Kong this morning. The associated gales will continue to affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary in the early afternoon. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force at least until 4 p.m. Whether the signal number 8 will remain in force thereafter will depend on speed of departure from the Pearl River estuary and the change in wind strength over the territory, as well as how persistent the gusts associated with the rain bands of Talim will affect Hong Kong. Seas are very rough with swells. Please stay away from the shoreline and do not engage in water sports. The public should take note of the latest weather information. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nongping, Chungshou, and Tapmoon were 108, 77, and 74 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 133, 102, and 87 kilometers per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours of 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
一節嘅風暴消息報道完畢。